Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share large files via email. Friends, if you want to email a large file like a video etc. which is more than the allowed attachment file size, like in Gmail you can send attachment of maximum 25 MB. So to email a file which is more than 25 MB in Gmail, you simply need to open your Gmail account. Now before composing your email, you need to open drive.google.com. Now one video file is on my desktop. Its size is more than 25 MB. This file is of 31 MB. So to email this file, I simply drop this file in Google Drive. Now my file is uploading in Google Drive. It will take some time according to your internet speed. Now our file is uploaded in Google Drive. Our file is by the name of video. Now we will compose a quick email in our Gmail account. Click on compose. Now we have composed a small email. Now to add our video file in this email, you simply need to click on insert link icon. Now here give a text name. I have given name video file. Now here we need a link. So go to your Google Drive account. Here right click on the video file. Now click on share. Here share window will pop up. Give some permissions. Now anyone with the link can view this file. Copy link. Now click on done. Now come back to your email. Now here paste the link and click on apply. Now our video is added to this email via link. Now send the email. Now your email is sent with a large video file. Now here you simply need to click on the link to view the file, or you can directly click on the video showing in the attachment to play the video. So friends, like this you can very easily share large files via email in your Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.